about Bo Diddley at the OK Corral. Now Bo Diddley didn't stand no mess. He wore a gun on his hip and a rose on his chest. Bo Diddley's a gunslinger. Bo Diddley's a gunslinger. Yeah, he must be. Yeah, sure enough. When Bo Diddley come to town, streets get empty and the sun goes down. Sheriff